Hey, welcome back to Danielle's Creative Art. Today we're doing an unboxing of Archer and Olive's June subscription box. It just came in the mail today, so I'm excited to see what's inside. And I did already watch the video from Archer and Olive's channel, but I just couldn't wait to see. So it says, "Welcome to summer camp. At Camp A&O, we encourage you to be creative, fearless, and embrace your mistakes. Get settled into your bunk, go ahead and earn some merit badges, and explore your creativity along the way." So first, in this beautiful box, we have assortment of colors. They're fine liner pens, so I'm excited. This is Archer and Olive's first time doing fine liners, so hopefully it'll continue in the future for other launches. So it's really cool colors. Oops. We have, looks like gray, yellow, red, pink, and green, so you can see that. Let me zoom in a little bit. There we go. Those are cool. And let's see, this was a tip. Oh, they're 0.4 millimeters. Oops, okay. Put those back for right now. And then next we have merit badge stickers. This is, you totally earned these. So let's see. I think you get two of the sheets, yeah. So it says, whoops, successful brainstorm session, made a mistake and it was okay, tried hard at something new, created something just because, created before scrolling social media, and set up the month before the month started. When I was actually trying to create my own bullet journal spreads, I really stunk at doing that, so I've been using Amy Tan Dream Planner, which by Archer and Olive, which I still actually sometimes have trouble filling in the blank spots, but maybe I'll go back in and decorate. Amy does an amazing job, so she always inspires me with her planner. But anyway, so let's look at the next thing. Oops. Okay. And then we have some adventuring stickers. I love the color palette for this box. When I was a kid, I had fun going to camp. I think it was a place called JCA. I think that's where I went. And they had swimming and all kinds of fun stuff for the kids. So, dang it, it's stuck. It's stuck. Oh no. There we go. Oh, those are so cute. It looks like, those look like washi strips in the bottom. Adventure Explorer. There's 2 sheets of those. Those are cute. Little banner and a fire pit. Campfire and trees. And it says, "You got this." The next thing is an Archer and Olive glass water bottle. It says, to take on your creative adventures. This is cool. So I think I heard that you can fit 16 ounces of water in here. It was well packaged and looks like it came in good condition, not broken or anything. And it's got a wooden cap. It's cool. And I think you can put the stickers on and decorate on this white part. It's pretty. I love that. So cool. And then, let's see what the next, this. The next we have, this is welcome, Camp A&O welcome kit. We're so happy you're here. Oh, I saw these in the teaser. These are so cool. It's a badge. It says, "Always be creative and try new things." That is really cool. And then a keychain that says, "Small progress is still progress." I love that. I may put it on my purse because actually I have a keychain from the Valentine's Day box, like ice cream cones. Maybe I'll put that with it. And then it says, "You got this," little banner. The felt banner is cute. So that's in that box. Oops. I'll just put it off to the side. Okay. And then it says writing tool set to help with your letters to home. So I guess if you're at camp and you're doing letters to home, these are so cool. So we have a ballpoint pen. Wait, no, take it back. Wait, I think this is the... Oh, it's a mechanical pencil. Whoops, sorry. It's a mechanical pencil. That's cool. And then this is the pen. Sorry, got mixed up. That's a nice pen. I love the scalloped edges like the watermelon. It's pretty. The gold. Put that back in there. And then, let's see, it says, a set of motivational postcards. Ooh, cool. I love postcards. It says, small progress is still progress. So you get you get 2 of those. This one says, never stop exploring. Cute. Making mistakes is okay. I have trouble telling myself that all the time. The next one is, you got this. And I definitely need this quote right now. So those are so neat. And be really cool to send those to a friend to lift their spirits too. Okay, and then I almost forgot about the journaling pen set. I love journaling. I love journaling pens. I love journaling too. This is a black calligraph, so we have a thicker tip in black and a thinner tip. So it's like they're colored calligraphs, but now we have a black one, which is awesome. And then a black fine liner color pen, and a 0.4, so it's like the other ones in color, but this is black. So there's the tip. I love writing with pens like this. And then, last but not least, the notebooks. I should have brought scissors, but I think I can get it with my nails. I love the orange box. A&O always does the coolest boxes. Okay. There we go. Oops. So cool. So it's like that they tried out with this new like confetti style fabric with the different colors. It's really pretty. And it's a traveler's size notebook. Ooh, and then we have gold designs inside. And 160 GSM darker paper with your, oops, bookmarks. 2 bookmarks here with a logo. Kind of a cream color. It's really pretty. I don't have very many traveler's notebooks, so I'm glad they included that in this box. Not sure what I'm using it for yet, but I'll find a use for it, hopefully. And last is the A5 notebook. Actually, move this out of the way since, there we go. Okay. we go. Oh my gosh, I love the feel of the cover already. It says, "You got this." An A5 notebook. Let's see if it has 192 pages, that's what I thought. So it's 192 pages of 160 GSM paper. The same really pretty gold foil on the cover as the Travelers. I think I'm gonna make this a goals journal, since as you got this, I thought it was fitting. So there's your, just get to the bookmarks. Those are pretty, they match the cover of the notebook. Here's a close-up of the cover. And, oh, by the way, I'm affiliate with Archer Knolf, so you can use my code DanielaFell10 at checkout, and I'll earn a small commission. And you can't, well, you cannot use my code on this box though, because you can't get a discount on the box, but they do have a bunch of other journals on their site that you can use my code. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.